sur ma chaîne French the easy way. Learn with Anu. In today's video, I am going to teach you les pronoms sujets, the subject pronouns. And before starting with it, I would like to say you that if you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Happy learning. Today we will be learning the subject pronouns. Apprenons les pronoms sujets. In French, for sentence formation, first of all, you need to learn the subject pronouns. After learning the subject pronouns, we will do the conjugation, and after that, you will be able to form small little sentences. The first one is I. I ko we call it je. Je. The way we call it in measure, pleasure, it is je. Then tu. Tu is informal you. I told you French is like Hindi. It has formal and informal form. Formal form, the way we call aap in Hindi, and informal form, the way we call tu in Hindi. Tu जा रहा है, it is informal. आप जा रहे हैं, it is formal. Tu is you, informal. Next is il. Il is he, and it is also used for it. The masculine things, they use il. Then is el. El means she. It is also used for it, but with feminine things. Il, el, he, she. Next is nous. Nous we use for we. Je is I. And when I am going with somebody else, or like when there are more than 2-3 persons, we call it nous, we. Next is vous. Vous is formal of you, the way we call aap in Hindi, and it is also used for plurals. For one person we use tu in informal language, but for plural ones we will use vous, whether it is formal language or informal language. Next is il. It is they, masculine they. See, he is called il and they is also called il. But in spellings, an extra s is written after l. It becomes il. It is not pronounced as ils. It will remain il, but it means they, masculine they. Next is l. L plural, used for feminine things or persons. For example, they are going to the market. In English, we have just one they, for masculine and for feminine both. We don't know that it is only the boys who are going or is it only the girls who are going. But in French, if a group of girls is going, then we will say elles, they are going to the market. And if a group of boys is going, then we will say ils, they are going to the market. And if there is a group which has both boys and girls in it, then we will use il. Yes, then we will use il for it. They are going to the market, il. Now see, we have je, tu, il, elle for singular ones. We call it singulier. In French, we call singular as singulier. When there is just one person, then we use je, tu, il, elle, which means I, you, he, she, or it. It masculine or it feminine. Then for the plural ones, pluriel, we use nous, vous, il, elle. Nous for we, vous for you formal, and for you plural in informal manner also, and then il, elle. Il and elle for they. Il for masculine they and elle for feminine they. I hope it is now clear to you. When boys and girls, we have to address both of them, we use il. And then when you are using informal language and you have to address more than one person, then you use vous. It is not tu, it is vous. That's it. Now let's start with some examples. I hope you will now find no problem in doing the examples. The first one is I am going to the market. For I, you are going to use je. Next is you go and study. It is an informal way of saying. So you use tu for you. Tu. Next is Ram and Sham, go and study. Here there are plurals. So we will use vu. Next is Ram, Meera and Gita, go and study. Over here also vu will come. Doesn't matter how many number of people you are addressing. Doesn't matter whether you are addressing males or females. Every time it will come vu. The next example is he is happy. He masculine, so ill. Next is it is beautiful. For it we can use ill or l. When we talk about the thing which is masculine, we use ill, and when we talk about the thing which is feminine, we use l. For example, if we talk about book, in French, book is masculine, so we will use ill. And when we talk about say flower, flower is feminine, we will use l. Next is she is very cute. She feminine, so we will use l. She is very cute. Next is we are happy. For we are going to use nu. Next is you are the best teacher in the world. So vu. For one person we are using vu. And see the next example. We are taking you all for a picnic tomorrow. Here there are more than 2 people. So vu. Next is they are going to the market. We use ill if the whole group is of boys. And we use L if the whole group is for girls. And even if there is a group of boys and girls both together, then we are going to use ill. See the next example. Ram, Meera and Gita are going to the market. Here we have boys and girls both. So it's ill. Meera and Gita are going to the market. Here it will be L because there is no boy in this group. There are just 2 girls who are going. So we will use L. Next is the books are heavy. Book is masculine in French. Les livres. So it is plural form. So ill will come. Next is his legs are long. His legs are long. Legs, they are feminine. So L will come over here. See, I have put it in the form of a chart like this. Pour première personne singulier, il y a je. Pour deuxième personne singulier, il y a tu. Pour troisième personne singulier, il y a il, elle. Means for first person singular there is je. For second person singular there is tu. And for third person singular there is il, elle. Same way, pour première personne pluriel, il y a nous. Pour deuxième personne pluriel, il y a vous. Pour troisième personne pluriel, il y a il, elle. Means for first person plural there is nous. For second person plural there is vous. And for third person plural there is il, elle. I hope everything is now clear to you. Let's try a small little exercise now. Bonne chance. Mettez les pronoms appropriés pour les mots soulignés. Put the proper pronouns for the underlined words. See the underlined word and just think which subject pronoun will come. You can pause your video over here, start doing the work, and after you finish it, then again start it and check your answers from the next page. Bonne chance, all the best. Here comes your answers. I hope you all must have performed well. Au revoir, à bientôt.